consider the different. Ngayon siya is to linearize the equation. So, this is the equation. D squared x equals to dt squared plus 3 dx over dt plus 2x equals to f of x. So, kaling f of x is equals to sine x. And x na to, let x equals to delta x plus 0. So, tanan din x diri kani imonog delta x. So, kani siya part is may magyani. Kani x atong ibutang imonog delta x. So, squared mo siya. So, double prime dx over dt equals to 3 delta x prime plus 2 delta x equals to sine times 0 plus d delta x. So, I think sine delta x is equivalent sa sine 0 plus d sine x over dx. So, derivative sa sine x is cosine x. So, delta x equals to 0 plus cosine x. So, x equals to 0. Then, delta x is equals to delta x. So, delta x equals to delta x man, meron na ito ang linear form. So, linearized form. So, delta x double prime plus 3 delta x prime plus 2x equals to delta x. So, muna itong linear form. So, ito yung equilibrium term. So, muna yung equation sa collected terms. So, delta x prime plus 3 delta x prime plus delta x equals to 0. Next, let x is equal to 0 delta x plus pi. So, same lang yapon. Kaning mga d is kuliyan sa delta x. So, kaya siya same lang sa diri. Nakalain lang kaya ang sign sa sign. So, ang sign na kaya nanay pi, di niya 0. Pi plus delta x na. So, sin equals to pi plus delta x equals to sin pi plus d sin x equals to dt. Derivative niya x equals to pi. So, derivative sa sin is cosine x. So, kaning x ni equals to pi is kaning x cosine x, yung cosine pi. So, dx ay delta x equals to negative delta x ay opposite na siya ay pi man. Ato siya 1 man kay munang parehas siya. So, linearize na linear form. Actually, parehas siya kay naka-linearize man. Nakalain lang kay negative di siya. So, ato nang correct in terms. So, delta x prime plus 3 delta x plus 3 delta x equals to 0. Test number 2 is, for each transfer function shows below, find the location of the poles and zeros and then write the expression for the general form of the step response without solving for the inverse Laplace transform. State the nature of each response, overdamped, underdamped, and so on. So, A, muna ito step response transfer function. So, 10 times s plus 7 equals to s plus 10 times s plus 20. So, kaning s plus 10 o s plus 20, ito na equate to 0. So, s plus 10 equals 0 is s equals to negative 10 and s equals to negative 20. And kaning 0 is nasa kaning siya s equals to 7. So, equate naman to 0. So, s equals to negative 7. Then, para makuha rin na ito ang kung yung nature of response, need this formula. A plus B times E to the negative 10 plus C times A to E to the negative 20t. So, atong damping ratio is 4 times 4.74. So, mas tako man siya sa 1. Then, ang ato ang nature response, state of nature is overdamped response. Next is, if t equals to s plus t of s equals to s plus 5 equals over s plus 10 squared. Then, we're going to copy a para sa nga method, equate 0. So, s equals to negative 10, s equals to negative 10, s equals to negative 5. Then, same rin sila o ani sa pinakauna. Galing lang kay square man siya. So, ang c of t equals to a plus b e to the negative 10t plus ct kay square man siya. So, ct e to the negative 10t. Yan ang ato ang damping ratio is negative 1. So, kay 1 man siya, equals man sa 1. So, it is critically damped. Number 3. For each pair of second order systems specification that follows, find the location of the second order pair of poles. So, first, ang ato ang overshoot percentage is equals to 12%. Then, ato ang settling time is 6 seconds. Para makuha na ito atong poles, secondary poles, kailangan natin ng formula. Negative damping ratio times natural frequency plus negative j times natural frequency square times square root of 1 over damping ratio squared. So, para first, para makuha na ito ng pulse, kailangan na ito ng duwa damping ratio of natural frequency. So, kaya ang naman tayo overshoot percentage. So, ato ang formula is damping ratio is equals to negative ln times overshoot percentage equals over 100 over square root of pi squared plus ln squared times overshoot percentage over 100. So, i-plug in nato ning overshoot percentage. So, nakuha na nato ang 0.56. Next is the natural frequency. Ang natural frequency is natin given nga settling time. So, ang formula nga na settling time is ang 4 over damping ratio times settling time. Butang na nato ang given. So, ang ato ang natural frequency is 11.92. So, kaya din sila dayon kaning natural frequency o ang damping ratio. Ato yung ibutang diri kinahanglan tayo damping ratio ug natural frequency. So, ato yung plug in. Then, ang result dayon is this. Negative 6.87 plus negative 9.88. Next is B. B. So, overshoot percentage is now negative 10%. Dayon, lain na ito ang time na given. Di na setting time, kundi peak time is equals to 5 seconds. So, same lang yapon kay naman tayo overshoot percentage. Ipares na ito ani yung formula. So, level n times 10 over 100 over square root of pi of 2 pi squared plus ln squared times 10 over 100. So, equals to 0.591. Next is the natural frequency. Karon, wala man peak time na ito ang peak time na itong given. Lain po yung formula kay peak time naman yung given. So, muna yung formula sa natural frequency kung ang given is peak time. So, TP, peak time, pi over to peak time is square root of 1 minus square root damping ratio squared equals to 0.779. So, kaya sa duwa, ito ilagay na natin sa same formula. So, end up 0.4605 plus negative J 0.6283. Next, last is C. Ang atong given is settling time and peak time. Wala na ito ang overshoot percentage. So, kaya siyang formula is gikan ani. Kaya siyang formula is gikan sa A. Atong A na ito nga. Kaya siyang formula is gikan sa atong A na ito nga. So, natural frequency equals to 4 over damping ratio times settling time. Ato na nang kaning damping ratio wala nato diri kay ang diri sa paano nang sa real nga part is damping ratio times natural frequency. So, ang answer din nila based na dayon sa ibutang. So, 4 over setting time. So, nandito din tayo ng 7 seconds. So, 4 over 7 divided 7 equals to 0.571. Next is, kaya siya ng formula is nakuha diri. Okay. Kaya sa immediate part, kaya man ang na-applied. So, diri natin ikuha. Kani, W and equals to pi over peak time times square root of 1 minus damping ratio square. So, kaya siya ng part tayo yun, ako hindi parin diri. So, mahal natin natabo. Kaya siya, parehas sa ani. So, ang pi over peak times equals to 1 over 1.047. And kaya siyang duwa, i-plug in na nagay. So, 0.571 plus J 1.047.